Best memory foam pillows. Best overall. Layla pillow comes with shredded foam taken from the Kapok tree. Its softness and smoothness will relieve the pressure from the neck and shoulders. However, the pillow will support the spinal frame and would provide the best feel while sleeping. You can cuddle the pillow because of its flexibility. Brand: Layla. Best value. Soft-Tex sensorpedic comes with cell memory foam technology and maintains the balance of the head and neck. It's comfortable with soft texture, would let you sleep without any worry. The material is breathable and durable and won't interfere with your happy sleep hours. Thus, there would be no sign of extra hotness because of its viscose rayon build. Brand: Soft-Tex sensorpedic. Best luxury. Temper Cloud Breeze pillow is ideal with a layer of cooling gel on both sides of the pillow. The product is filled with Temper memory foam, famous because of its softness and pressure-relieving qualities. You can snuggle your pillow, and it's so flexible to calm down your neck and muscles. Brand: Temper Cloud Breeze. Best for combination sleepers. Coop Home Goods made this product with gel-infused memory foam and bamboo rayon cover. Its thickness is variable and is the ideal choice for combination sleepers. The pillow is soft and breathable and helps to relieve the pain in the head and neck region. Brand: Coop Home Goods.